It's not just housing prices that are high in California, it's also insurance. And the fact that they can just cancel your insurance right when the wind event starts to pick up, to me, that doesn't really say reliability. It's kind of a problem.
Today. Do you know 7% of loans in California are not being closed because when the homeowner, the person that's buying the house, when it comes to the end and they're like, yeah, great, I like the loan amount, I can afford to pay for it. And then the premium for insurance comes, they're like, oh, I can't afford this.
Yeah.
Honey, we can't afford to pay this much. They're canceling it.
Yes, I
My
read that.
pastor, who's a pastor of one of the biggest churches in California, 20,000 plus members, he gave me his permission to share his name. We talked about it on the podcast. Pastor Dudley Rutherford, 38 years he's been paying homeowners insurance in California. A week before the fire, one of the biggest insurance companies in California send them a letter saying we're canceling the homeowners insurance, we can't afford it no more. You know how many companies are leaving the state of California? And by the way, it's so easy for politicians to say you can't do that, you can't leave our state. Guess what? They also left Florida. So it's not like I'm taking shots at California. Homeowners insurance companies, some of them left Florida because of hurricane. Now California is saying, no, you have to protect these homes even in the risk areas. You have to do this. No, I'm not going to do this. Let's go to insurance today. Do you know?
You know what happened is basically they forced a lot of regulations on insurance companies and then they left. And then they had to create the California Fair Plan, which basically is the worst insurance that you can get. And it makes you pick up the slack for everybody else. So I just pulled this up here. And here is by zip code, the average insurance premium. So if you look here, it's $21,000 for a $2.1 million house in Santa Clara. In Marin, it's $14,000 for a $2.5 million. And you can see here that it's actually almost, in some areas, it's almost as much as taxes. It's 1% of your house price that you have to pay. So that's a huge deal. I think that insurance is one of the big things that's holding back California's housing market.